What is up, rad humans? I'm Court Rundell. Welcome to the very first episode of Stark Raving Sober. So without further ado, I'm going to show you how not to drink at a party. Hey rad humans, so we're on our way to the venue, and so I'm gonna give you my number one trick to stay sober at a holiday party is to take a sober buddy with you, somebody who doesn't drink as well. And this, I feel, is the most effective way to stay sober because you have somebody who has your back. And I'm not talking about your girlfriend who's like, yeah, I won't drink, and then you show up and she's like barfing. Like, no. I'm talking like a true blue who's like, or somebody else who maybe, you know, has issues with the alcohol, who is like, you know, yeah, I'm gonna be your sober buddy, we're not drinking. And then throughout the night, you just keep each other accountable, and like, that has been the number one most effective thing. But I'm going to tell you right now, where I am, that is not possible. So I'll give you more tips. All right. Bye.
Bye.
Mwah. Very excited right now. Very excited right now. Are you excited? Excited, Mark? You excited? I'm very excited right now. Here we go. This seems pretty serious. Important ones is have a ride home or drive yourself, which I have neither right now, and I am getting bored. Because then I can leave anytime I want to, and I can't leave anytime I want to now. I actually could like call an Uber, but it would be ridiculous, but I could. If I was really freaking out, which I'm not, I'm good, and it's a work event and I'm working, so there's that. But in any big drinking situations, generally I will take my own car, so I can leave whenever I want. Always have a drink in your hand. Always have a drink in your hand, for many reasons. One is you want to know it's yours, and you don't want to pick up an alcoholic one on accident. The other thing that I really like to do is I order a drink that looks like an alcoholic drink, because I don't like to talk about it, especially with strangers at a work party. Yeah.
Diet Coke instead. It could be a Coke and bourbon, Coke and, you know, some sort of alcohol.
If there is an activity, by God, get into it. I like to dance, so it works. It's really hard when there's just a bar, like, and everybody like, hey, let's do shots, hey. But I've been in situations like that too, and yeah. That's why the fake drink works very well. It is totally cool to take a time out. Totally cool. It gets too boring or too whatever. Just, you know, I'm like, I'm hot. I've been dancing. So that's my excuse.
Hang in there. It gets so much more fun. Hang in there. Once everyone gets drunk, they totally lose their inhibitions. And I already don't have any.
Seriously. The amount of fun I'm having tonight is ridiculous. I mean, look at this outfit though. Like, seriously. If there's an excuse to have fun, like, I'm gonna do it. Because being sober is what it's all about. Like, I get to have so much fun. I get to dance and not fall over my feet. I get to still look good at the end of the night what? I know, it's crazy. I just looked at myself. Can you tell? I'm like, oh, yeah. So I still look good. My makeup's not all down around me. I haven't shown my boobs to one single person. I know, amazing. So the night's going great. Another tip I wanted to give you guys is if the night is not going great and you don't have a sober buddy and you don't have a way out, my secret tip is to get somewhere alone where it's quiet. Usually it's a bathroom, but thankfully where I'm at, there's a beautiful outside area. It's like just really, like, it's just really nice out here. And like behind me, there's like nice little benches and stuff. Well, a propane tank. Another tip of mine is thinking the drink through. And that is basically this is for if you really have a problem with alcohol, like I did. I think the drink through. So I think, okay, so what happens if I go in there and I have a drink? So what am I going to order? Okay, well, I'm going to order a beer because that's my drug of choice. That's my alcohol of choice. And then what's going to happen when I'm done with that beer? Well, I'm going to have another beer. And then what's going to happen when I'm done with that beer? I'm going to have another beer. And then I'm probably going to have some shots because that's how I roll. And then I'm going to have another beer. And when I'm about 4 beers in, that's when I usually start looking around for somebody who's moving a little too fast. And I look for a connection for some Coke. If I can't get Coke, I'm going to get speed. Meth is fine. Crank is fine. Whatever. To keep me going so I can keep drinking. Because I love to drink. And so then what happens? Well, I'm at a work event and I'm wasted. And I'm probably going to try to sleep with somebody. And I don't care if it's somebody's husband. And I might fuck up my boss's biggest account. You know, that could happen. And then where am I going to sleep? And then I'm going to wake up in the morning, right? If I'm lucky. And I'm going to hopefully wake up. I don't know where I'm going to wake up. I don't know who I'm going to wake up with. And I'm going to have to go back into that place because we have a work event tomorrow. And I'm going to be sick. And I'm going to have to be sick and be there. And I'm probably going to lose my job. And that's where I go. That's where I go. I don't know if that's where you go. But that's what I call thinking through the drink. So it's 1 a.m. over here. For me, it's really 10 because I live in Los Angeles. And total success. Total success. Totally sober. And ready to take off all this makeup and these boots and go to bed and wake up without a hangover, which is like the best ever. I love you, rad humans. Thank you so much for watching my entire first video of Stark Raving Sober. I can't believe it. Anyway, I love you guys. You're totally rad. And please subscribe if you dug this content, and I will bring you a lot more.